Sorry. Napasigaw lang ako. Go, Chris!
Pasensya nyo na kasi kinakabahan talaga ako.
Hindi ka
Originally, na yun, nasabi ko dyan, lima kami. Pero tatlo lang talaga. Yung isa, yung vocalist talaga namin, hindi ako yun. Nasa outing. Eh, tapos, outing ay out of town.
Pinagpasensya na kita!
Tapos di ba kanina sobrang lungkot ng mga kanta. Kahit malungkot, ngayon masaya kasi yung isa namin membro, graduate ngayong araw na. Pero wala siya ngayon, kaya na-release pa rin. Kaya hindi kami yun. Sige, para matapos na.
Break even, Brad!
Ah, sige, ayun, break even.
Alam namin yun.
Second song na lang. First song, para kay Sign Break Even.
Lakas mo, tayo.
Request, no?
Hanapin ang password niya. No one's just gonna stop the bleeding. She moved on and I'm still breathing. When the heart breaks, no one won't break even. What am I gonna do when the best part of me is always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm on your top and you're okay? I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. Oh, she got me right around, but then you just feels like no time makes sense. It's enough to be no love to my head. I got time, but she got me up. When the heart breaks, no, they don't break either. Oh, what am I gonna do when the best part of me is always you? What am I supposed to say when I'm on your back and I'm again? I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. Yeah, I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling to pieces. I'm falling.
Baka mag-therapy tayo.
Mentres! Go, Mentres!
Mentres, I love you!
So ano, pakilala ko pala yung ano, mga miyembro ko ngayon. Hindi, miyembro niya. Peter,
Kaya naman sa'yo.
si Tino, tsaka ako si Chris. Yan, so sana ano,